Hey y'all, today we're making potato pancakes, so let's go ahead and get those potatoes cut and into that pot. I'm gonna slice up a couple of pieces of bacon and we're gonna fry that up and it will be added to our mixture. We're gonna start cutting veggies. In my potatoes, I'm using onions, red peppers, green peppers, 1 garlic clove, and celery. Let's start to mash those potatoes. Y'all, I've only used 1 potato today. I'm gonna add a little heavy whipping cream. That's what it looks like so far. I hope you all are enjoying the video. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter and put it into my frying pan. We're about to saute those vegetables. And I'm just showing you the veggies again. Yummy. Okay, let's get those potatoes into the bowl. We're gonna start mixing everything together. Sauteed vegetables are going in. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of flour, 1 egg, give that a toss. We're gonna add some salt. I'm using low sodium, followed by black pepper. Ooh, cheddar cheese, y'all. Y'all see that cheese? I'm gonna follow it up with some mozzarella cheese. That's my favorite. A little hot sauce to spice up things. We're gonna give it a mix and then we're going to plate these. They have to go into the oops, y'all, I forgot I crumbled bacon into that mixture. Y'all see it? Can't forget the bacon. Okay, we're gonna mix it up and then you're going to see me plate it. You have to put this into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I hope you're enjoying the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family. It's your girl Kietha T back in the kitchen again. Y'all look at that. Beautiful. Have a good one. Bye. Y'all be blessed.